What are the 3 best sites to invest in Bitcoin? Before we get into the video, I always do a random shout out from my subscribers. If you want to get mentioned from my next video, subscribe now and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss any videos. So guys, the 3 best sites to invest in cryptos and Bitcoins are 1. Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the best places to buy Bitcoin around the world. They were founded in 2012 and have a long list of accomplishments over the years. They also help you learn how to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies through their educational platform, Coinbase Earn, which lets you earn cryptocurrencies in exchange for watching 1 to 2 minute videos. 2. Etoro. Etoro is a recognizable name. It is one of the most famous sites for easily trading stocks. Did you know you can also use it to buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin? 3. Kraken. Kraken launched in September 2013, after 2 years of testing and development. Since then, they've grown into a world-class exchange offering high security and plenty of cryptocurrencies. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please do give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe.